Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to NinjaTrader Live. I'm Tracy Shuchart, senior economist, and here were the headlines while we were away. Looks like the S&P is readying for the Santa rally as the volatility shock fades. So the Val spasm that kind of shook the markets last week when the VIX jumped to 29 and VVIX surged to 40%, barely dented the SPX, and that resilience has reflected how well hedged investors actually were. So we had retail dip buying offset some of more of the systematic selling coming from vol control and CTA programs. Those mechanical strategies have now reduced exposure, and so while vol sellers, of course, wasted no time stepping in to try to monetize the spike in the VIX, selling it down again, and of course the result was a swift reversion in the markets. Dealers have flipped back to more positive gamma positioning above 6,700 on the SPX, meaning market makers hedging now dampens intraday moves instead of amplifying them. That sets up a more stable backdrop for Vanna-driven or declining vol grind higher that tends to define late October through December rallies. So just so you understand kind of the environment we are operating in right now in the background of the index markets, or yes, specifically. Then we also had natural gas ripping even more, was up 5% this morning, now up over 10%. We talked about this a little bit. We had news that the EU is going to stop buying Russian gas by the end of 2027. We also have near record LNG flows out of the Gulf Coast and some colder weather news coming in is causing a bout of speculative short covering. Then we also, the headline is the stocks pair gains as Trump revives China tariff threat. If you remember, he said China may pay 155% tariff if no deal by November 1st. We dropped about 10 points, so blink if you saw that. China also said he can threaten China with airplanes, and China's pushing our farmers by not buying soybeans, but kind of ended up that whole thing by saying, I expect we'll work out a fair deal with China. So a little drop in the index markets, but really not very noticeable. Then we also had Trump signing an agreement on critical minerals with Australia. He said that we are discussing critical minerals and rare earths, and we're going to be signing an agreement that's negotiated over a period of 4 to 5 months. In a year from now, we'll have so much critical mineral and rare earths you won't know what to do with them. So Albanese, the leader of Australia, did say the deal represented $8.5 billion in the pipeline that they have ready to go, taking it to the next level. The White House also added to these comments on Australia, saying the DOD was going to invest in gallium refinery in Australia. We are seeing Alcoa up on this as they produce gallium from the alumina refinery residues. That's almost up 5% on the day on that. We also have U.S. secures more access for beef in Australia. Live cattle ticked down, but blink if you could see that. We're still up on the day, 1.7%. That market doesn't look to be taking a breather just yet. And last but not least, because you know I like to throw something fun in there, they did a study on the carbon footprints of meat. And they said, the headline was, why eating a burger in Houston is less climate friendly than Chicago. So the authors, I guess, mapped livestock supply chains from feed to grocery store and found the biggest influence of beef's greenhouse gas emissions was the type of cows and how the meat was sourced. So of the 3,500 or so cities the researchers examined, Higginsville, Missouri, had the largest carbon footprint per pound of beef, and Auburn, Indiana, the lowest, to the point that a carnivore there could eat nearly 5 servings to generate the same level of emissions as one serving in Higginsville. So I guess if you like beef, choose your city wisely before they start cracking down on that. And that is the move. That is the news moving markets while we were away. I'll hand it off to Jim for an Edge report.
Thank you, Tracy. That is quite a statistic. I'm going to have to think about that for a while. We have the Arena Cup Challenge going on. We're going to bring in our afternoon traders in a second. Let's go over the markets that they are trading in the challenge. Let's start with the micro E-mini S&P. And we have had a bid all day. We've been driving up higher, trend day up, no retracement in sight. We do have a target, though. We have that 6,800 call resistance level. It's that red line up there for the bulls. And the million-dollar question is, are we going to have a retracement? Are we going to have a regular retracement at the end of the day or not? This is the question that the traders have to decide going into the final hours this afternoon. I do have an ellipse circled right around a high volume node, approximately JAX 1, right around 6750, and VWAP is just shooting right there, right by that 50% retracement. So I'm not saying that's where we're going to go. I don't know, but I wanted to point that out. So that's the story of the micro E-mini S&P. The micro Nasdaq, same story really. Let me go ahead and click that guy on. Again, I got a bid all day long, trading at the top of the day. Now, the interesting part here is we have a huge, prominent, dominant point of control right now, approximately 25,315, right by that Mentor Q 1-day max. So this is attracting price right now. We're trying to plow up through it as well. Again, no retracement in sight in the micro Nasdaq. R2 possible target of the upside around 25,477 if we continue. Let's roll on to a micro crude. Well, we had an interesting volume profile today, almost textbook perfect, really nice Gaussian distribution, point of control, kind of in the middle right now, right by that session VWAP. That's that white line going across, and I'm just going to throw a price out there at 56.66. Yeah, we just recently had a breakout to the upside, just tagged that JAX 1 level of 5,700, and now we're kind of hanging out at the daily pivot. Let's shoot over to micro gold really quickly. If I could find it on my cheat sheet here. Here it is, December contract. Folks, let's pull that up. This is very similar. Very similar to the Nasdaq and the E-mini S&P. Nothing but a bid. We are rallying. We hit a kind of a wall, though, at the top here. That's my rectangle up here, just south of that R1. And I'm going to say that resistance is about 43.67, give or take a couple of ticks here, as those VWAP bands are starting to kind of go sideways here. Again, no retracement in sight whatsoever. But, again, we do have some targets here. We have the top of the value area, even though this is a real wonky volume profile for the session so far. And then that midpoint, though, of the opening range, the initial balance, is right there again. So there's two areas of interest right there, 43.29, spot 3, should we get some kind of retracement to the downside, and further on is that call resistance all the way down there. Last but not least is the curious Euro FX. Let's pull up the 6E contract really quickly here. Half of this trade's probably over because in London, or in wherever they trade the euro, it's probably nighttime right now. But we did have a really nice sell-off after an equal opposite candle here, approximately lunchtime, and we lost VWAP in the rearview mirror, and we are rolling down here. This means the dollar is strong, the euro is weak, and we're getting close to that JAX 2 level down on the downside. This trade might not be done, folks, because, again, this is a popular currency pair on the future side, and I expect it still to be traded. Those are the 5 markets that we are trading in the Arena Cup. And so let's just cut this Edge report short and get right to the main event with our traders, our featured traders. There they all are. Good afternoon, everybody. How's everybody doing?
What's up, Jim?
I'm good. How's it going?
Good to see you guys. I know
Hello, guys.
Right now it looks like Jade. I'm sorry. No, it looks like Stowe and Jade are duking it out for the #1 spot so far. The day's not over. I'm getting all sorts of text messages and X messages saying, "Don't count Salma out." I'm not kidding. I'm getting those. So Salma, welcome aboard as well. And then hang on a sec. Do we have everybody here? Yeah, we do. We have Lumi here. Lumi, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Hello, I'm doing great. Thank you.
All right. So, any final comments from anybody before I jet out into the chat?
Not really.
All right, all
Wow,
right.
thank you,
Up
John.
only. That's my comment. Up only.
Okay.
Close your eyes and pull for this long, Kaden. But maybe
Jim, what
not
was that?
even.
Hold on, Jim. Help me with that gold again. I was only half listening. I mean, I see that we can't get through this 67 person. Is there somebody up here? What the hell is this?
Yeah, okay. Hang on. Let me pull it up so I can give you the exact number here. Let
I
me just
need the
put my
cheat
metals.
codes.
We have an awful lot of resistance. And I started that resistance though by my rectangle because I draw rectangles because I'm a little bit older and I can see it better.
So this is
That's
your fault. Is what you're saying.
4367 is where this resistance is starting.
Yep. Okay.
So in any event, awesome. I'll pop in about an hour or so to see how everybody's doing. I will be in the chat and I wish everybody the best of luck.
Thanks, Jim.
Thank you.
Thank you. Stowe, you're being nicknamed, by the way. You have a new
Yeah.
nickname.
Yes, I've got a lot of those. I see Deli's already coming in with the bagel boy. Fair enough.
Bagel boy.
So, I was just talking with Stowe before he hopped on here. I was long, but Stowe's apparently still in this. Obviously, the 4-hour candle just opened up, and we're so close to those all-time highs. I didn't want to, risk it. So I think Stowe is riding it out to see what happens.
Oh, I'll risk it.
But so I'm hoping that this thing turns around in the last 3 hours or so. He gives back a lot of this. But the other
That's
trade
so
I'm in is
evil.
gold.
Literally
The other
so
trade I'm in is
evil.
gold, and I'm short euro. So obviously, if gold continues higher from here, it might not. It might just chop sideways for the rest of the day. And then euro, obviously my take profit is way down there. That's like a Hail Mary, but you never know.
Yeah, Euro took pre-market lows that was aiming for this morning. So I'm watching for lower as well. What is your target? I believe same that I have on my chart.
I have 1.1584, but it's
Yes, I
likely
agree with
not
you,
going to
target.
get there. I mean, if anything,
Who knows?
the competition ends at 5, but this is what I'm going to be looking for the remainder of the week at least. These lows down here. Yeah, so
Man,
that's pretty much what I got.
Such an annoying ledge here at that 67 in gold. I'm also long gold.
At least 60 is holding very nicely. But I don't like how these hourly candles are looking.
On gold.
Seems like we're just betting
Yeah.
for a value gap on 1-hour
Yeah.
chart on gold. I really want to see 52, but in reality we got 54. I was like, wait a minute. Where is my long here? But once again, it closed above. Like I see long opportunity at 65 right now, 43.65 on gold. But really don't mind to see we taking out this 5-minute fair value gaps that I was talking before at 52. But it right now offered first opportunity to long at 43.65. That's what I see so far.
I ended up
Salma,
covering my long. What happened?
No, I was gonna tell you a secret. If you don't like the way that one of the candles is forming, you can just delete that time frame from your chart.
I could just not look. I could just.
Don't have to see it.
I'm wondering if I could call the risk department up and see if I can get a bigger line.
Oh my god. I actually ended up covering my long.
Oh, I like it.
I think as long as we hold 43.50 on gold, we should see higher. At least to 4,400. But yeah.
I hope we don't go lower than 60, to be honest with you. I ended up closing my long 60. I closed my long from like this morning, and then I ended up re-entering because it was still looking good, and now I have like a really crappy entry. So I'm hoping we just base here and then launch pad up for the next leg.
Yeah, the problem I guess with gold on 30-minute chart is just consolidation since 11:30. Like really, we didn't break below consolidation, we didn't break above consolidation, just garbage. So that's why I didn't mind to see taking out 5-minute fair value gap. So basically, it could be manipulation at this point to long this.
Yeah,
But
I'd
yes,
say one
still
of the
inside
biggest trades I had
consolidation.
today was gold.
Gold
Yeah,
pays,
you got
dude. If you're on the right
nice trade.
side.
And they are buying the piss out of this thing on NQ up here. Just got to get through this, dude.
Talking about NQ, So I can see that 335 as support, and at this point, I don't want to see price going lower below 335. And I was about to long, but once again, I don't mind to get long from 340 if it's going to hold. So basically, 3-minute fair value gap and hold probably to 380. I'm just not sure. As I said before, we have enough power to pump to all-time high today, but I don't mind to see we taking out at least the rejection block of this all-time high, 380, 375, somewhere there.
No, we want 3,400, like Pac said. Sorry, 4,400. 34.
44.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
then.
On
Can you
gold?
imagine?
Yeah, that would be pretty
Oh
wild
my
today.
God. Ignore me.
I was talking about in Q.
Oh,
Yeah.
ignore me.
No, I like that spot too. Yeah, Lumi, I'm actually long 335. Exactly.
Yeah, that's exactly what I would like to see as well. So as long as we hold in 325, it's bullish until the end of the day, probably.
I don't want to say it into the microphone though. You know how this works. I know the market gods work.
Yeah, I want us to take out the 4-hour high and then see Stowe lose. But again, I don't think I'm gonna go back in. I would love to be long, but we probably should have just held it through the 4-hour close.
You're doing great.
But that's the decision I'm making, and I guess I'll live by it.
In real time, it looked like you need to close this anyway, so like no complaints.
Yeah, you heard that, Stowe?
No, I didn't. I did not hear a thing. My gold entry has been pretty subpar this whole time though. So I'm just down to 1. I'm just taking 5 points at a time over here on that thing. I don't really know.
Mhm.
Just trading pure price action. I got nothing else to look at over there. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Are you still in from like this morning? Same entry?
I have not had a position on. Yes. So yes, I am still in.
I had to take a
but no,
second to understand that.
my new average of is 62. So I added at 58.
I'm in at 62 as well.
Yeah.
It's just risky, really risky here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm in at like 65.
Yeah, I like 65 as well, by the way. But only problem with this like entry really inside consolidation. Like
Yeah.
feels like at the middle of nowhere.
We're literally barcoding. Like
Uh-huh.
it's been like this since 11:30, since Euro close. See?
Yeah, Euro's still pushing lower.
Man, my cat is headbutting my office door to get in here. This is ridiculous. And he just got it open. This cat is a menace. What are you doing?
Tell him you're locked in.
I'm trying to. He doesn't care. He's probably like, oh, I'm hungry. I'll get some food. That'd be great. Arthur.
Production's gonna clip that.
They don't have room on the soundboard at this point.
Gotta be careful what you say here.
Too many
Anything
dumb
can be
things
turned
I've
into a
already said.
meme.
Hey, Stowe,
No,
what's
Kelly,
your
I
What's your
can't.
P&L right now?
Mine?
Yeah.
1350.
Oh, I'm at 1350. 1339. Ooh.
Jeez, guys.
I don't have a lot. Yeah, it's been a tricky. I don't have a lot of ammo.
I think I just fade you right now and try and go short.
That's where we got to. Last time we did this, it was like, well, if I'm behind this person and they're long, there's really no way to not. Yeah, so it
somebody's gotta
becomes
make a
like
move.
weird. Yeah. How'd you get in here? That's incredible. I'm not even mad. I'm not even mad.
Stowe, Jim says, does the cat like bagels?
Bagels.
Bagels? You missed the inside joke, Jade.
He's probably gonna
No,
he's
I was
probably
here.
gonna-
I was paying attention. I'm from New
Oh,
York, so
okay.
I
Yeah,
don't
you
think we
understand.
pronounce bagels. That's like a Jersey thing.
Bagels. No, it's
Oh, there goes
no, it's
gold.
not.
Gold is pushing a little bit.
Come on, we need to just clear this, please. Just go higher.
Here we go. NQ turnaround. This is what I'm looking for.
Where the bulls at?
see, we still got. Yeah, man, that I should just be selling this 67 on gold. This
Somebody
thing
said
is,
your cat's cheering for me.
it's possible. Arthur's not necessarily my friend.
Traitorous.
He's an opportunist, like all cats. You know, I mean, he's got his own agenda around here. Primarily food related.
Yeah, somebody's saying the all-time highs are dangling there. We're so close to them.
Damn, I think you guys are both in the top 100.
Are we?
Oh, really?
I think so, because you disappear. So like you disappear from the featured trader on the leaderboard once you're like in the top 100.
Oh, that's cool. Arthur,
Yeah.
if my cat unplugs my computer, that would be the ultimate cat revenge. Is that what you're trying to do? Freaking turkey.
Don't worry, just send me your login info. I'll help manage your trades.
Yeah, Jim, even I like Hitchhiker's Guide so much that I named my cat Arthur. Jim is correct. And he does not know where his towel is because he's an idiot.
Dang, Tanya's full porting it right now.
You got to. I mean, full port is not that heavy.
No.
Yeah.
I was definitely full porting earlier. Now I'm kind of slowing down.
I think I took this too safe, be
If I could
honest with
trade
you.
it. Yeah, if I could trade it, I was in it. It's
We need
not
to-
usually how I would trade though, because we basically just jumped right off the open without any type of
Yeah.
pullback on index markets.
Yeah.
So
Those are
usually
my
not what I would
yeah,
do.
That's exactly what I normally do. So whenever I see that thing just explode out of the OR, like opening
Yeah, you're
drive
just
high
in
like
it.
that, yeah, I just slap the hell out of it. But then I'm done though. I'm not spending the
Yeah,
rest of the day
likewise.
working it. But what are you gonna do?
I need NQ to come down just a little bit.
Yeah, back to
How's-
40, 340.
How's the actual leaderboard looking? Is it more realistic?
Yeah.
Yeah, very
Okay.
much so.
Mm-hmm.
Still, first place is 2,800. It's quite good.
Oh wow. Okay. All right. That makes
Yeah.
sense. That's awesome.
Yeah.
So NQ trying to break 335 area, didn't close yet, so we don't have shift in structure downside just yet. As I said, I consider this a support if support is broken, so we can get first retracement for the day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So far I took one loss and basically one break even. Like you guys taking lots of trades and only two.
Yeah, I played it too safe as well. Like I didn't really trade too much.
Yeah, I don't know how many trades I'm up to right now. Let me just check.
I gotta be at 50,000 minimum.
Jeez, man.
My commissions, easily. I'd be in first place, but the commissions.
Oh, I don't think it shows all my orders.
So Pax is asking, did you take profit there?
Yeah. I got down to one up there, Pex. Just in front.
Yeah, I exited right before the 4-hour close.
Who changed your name, Stowe?
What do they change it to?
That's actually
know.
hilarious.
I know.
Bagel boy.
Bagel. We should put that on a shirt.
Bagel. Can I get a bagel? I do say bagel, don't I? That's crazy.
How to say this right? Like
Bagel.
Bagel.
Yeah.
They're trying to make
Okay.
bagel.
bagel. Okay.
Don't worry about it.
Good to know.
He said bagel.
That's not. I don't even think that's a Jersey accent.
It's not. It's not. I took so much
sure
offense
about
too.
that? You sure about that? You sure about
We
that?
got the cane chip in. Good.
Wait, I thought he was actually here with us. Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
All right. Gold is trying to do something here. If we can clear 68, I think we might be okay for a next leg up.
Mhm.
But gold tends to really slow down, like going into power hour. Obviously, unless like Trump speaks or something.
Yeah, God, this is metals. Doesn't that metals close at like 2? What's the? I don't know. This market closes early, doesn't it? Am I crazy?
It does. Yeah, they mentioned it earlier.
Okay.
I think yeah, PAX usually mentions it.
It's trade
But
event.
like we still could trade it into 4 p.m. though.
You guys don't know how happy you're making Leo making fun of the way I say things. This is basically his full-time job is to make fun of the way that I talk. We got
Tell
Leo's
him-
Stowe impression in here somewhere.
Tell him I took over his job today.
Yeah, if you guys are curious, my stop is break even on the euro. You just can't see it on TradingView. It is there. Do you guys want to share your screens?
I can do
I'll
it,
stop
sure.
there.
I can do as well.
Go ahead, Lumi. I'll let you do it.
Okay.
Yeah, we can flip.
Okay.
So me and Lumi are team. So Lumi, I'll stop
Okay.
and you can jump in.
All right.
Okay. Stop for me. There we go. That'll make Kevin happy. I did it, Kevin. Woo! Thank you. Golf clap.
Right,
Thank
everyone
you. Thank
clap. Okay, I'd like to show gold.
Gold.
Yeah,
Gold.
we're just gonna say everything like that. Okay. I think now you guys
So
should
on
be able to
gold, I
see
was
my
talking
position.
about long of the stimulant OB, but one thing, I'm not sure if it's going to offer like 2R trade, but what I was talking about, like long of the stimulant OB with stop loss, probably at this low at 57, and I would like to see 78 taken, like 1.7R. This idea, first idea to long gold. Another idea, if it's going to fail, is long from this 5-minute OB. Let me switch on 5-minute chart. So this 5-minute order block. Like if it's going to fail, would like to see exactly the same long part of this 5-minute OB. Not OB, fair value gap.
Very nice. Yeah, I don't have really anything different here. Just ranging. Lumi, someone in the chat said they love you.
Thank
That's
you.
nice.
I love you
That
too,
is
but I know
nice.
who are you. Sorry about this.
That is super nice.
Yeah. Thank you. Love you guys too. Okay, I'm going to just divide my screen like this. It's going to no, not like this. Like this. It's going to be easier to see ES and NQ on my chart. Perfect. Amazing, perfect, amazing, perfect. Where's my drawings?
Come on, gold.
I got short crude finally. So that's cool.
Jade, are you still in gold?
Yeah, I am.
All right, never mind.
I gotta keep holding until Stowe folds his hand. Something's gotta happen, man. I don't know.
That's a very good way to say that.
You're number 1 right now.
I feel like if I don't know. Did you get stopped out of all your positions on index markets, Stowe?
No.
No, you're still in them.
I'm still long. I'm just flat basically on all of them.
Okay.
I took profit on ES, so I still have a little bit of ES ammo, but I don't have any NQ ammo. Trying to get to 65. This NQ high is extremely annoying.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to take that thing.
Annoying.
Gold is pumping. Let's see if it's going to take 78.
Holy Moses.
Oh,
look at
let's
that thing
go. Yes.
Woo!
Give us new highs and then send us to 4,400, like Pac said. I'm honestly just gonna hold until then. Just
A
gonna
new
let
high
it
would be
be.
encouraging.
Send it.
The weirdest part about trading gold today for me is it's very odd to watch a market do stuff when the other markets you look at are not doing anything. It's so weird to me. To trade a purely uncorrelated thing like that. It has broken my brain many times.
Yeah, I typically don't trade gold. Maybe I should
Gold is
start.
amazing, like
You
really
guys should
amazing.
start for sure. 43.90. Pax says 43.90, 4,400 in gold. I have 43.94 between 43.92 and 43.94.
That's copying my trades. That's where my sell limit is, 43.93.
Wait, actually?
Yeah, 43.94.
78 hit.
I
I
have
gotta
your
take
level.
43.95 then.
Yeah, I'm about to extend my target.
$1.
Honestly, you
remove
gotta
the-
be careful. You gotta be careful with gold though, because she'll like pull back right before TP.
Yeah,
Exactly,
like
yes.
1 or 2 ticks away and you're cooked. I swear to you.
I'll just
Yes,
remove my
exactly.
take
By the way,
profit.
did you notice like when you enter the trade, it's immediately displacing like in your favor, then just like all the way down to your entry again, like huge 10 points candle, then all the way down to your entry.
Yeah,
Yeah,
That's
always happens to me.
Lumi, you trade Asia or no?
I trade Asia pre-market on gold.
Okay. I trade Asia like as soon as 6 p.m. opens. Anyways, like gold is so crazy at night. So crazy. Like
It's amazing. I like gold, trading gold in Asia because it's always small risk but huge reward.
yeah. Someone in the chat asked me if I'm Canadian. No, I am not. I'm close to
I wonder how
Canada,
they
but
say
I'm not.
bagels.
They probably
bad.
don't.
Look at the
Probably
78, like
don't.
almost to the tick. And immediately trace on 3 points. Coincident.
Oh yeah, that was your TP from earlier, right?
Yeah. I'm
Very
holding this on
nice.
my account like since morning, but not on this account.
Gotcha. Did you guys hear about the outage that happened?
Yeah.
No.
Nope.
Like almost everything was affected.
Yes.
I'm so happy that you know, NinjaTrader is still up. Lumi, there's your pullback at 78.
Yeah, I expected to get this. I'm just not sure how big it's going to be.
I think we probably just retest this previous high on the day that
Oh yeah, by the way, maybe.
43.72.
Yeah, going to have this as well.
Yeah, let's
Yes,
see.
die crude.
Not the best time to trade oil.
Is there a good time to be trading any of this, Lumi?
Exactly.
Yeah, 2:30. Yeah, what time is crude close?
I believe it's 2, no?
Frank Kane is taller than everybody, by the way. There's no disputing Kane's height, as he has mentioned many times.
He wears platforms.
Yo.
Yeah, Kane's on stilts for sure. Confirmed.
Okay, I just entered 1 micro long on NQ. I'm gonna give it a stab. I haven't traded NQ all day, so let's see.
Where's my drawings from NQ? Come on. Oh, it's I guess not in sync. Well, I'm going to drop them.
Let's see.
So brutally slow.
Yeah.
Trying to figure out.
Yeah, when it gets this late in the afternoon, a lot of times I'm just flat.
Me too, man. Yeah. Or we're like, even when we do the afternoon streams, it's always like this. And we just end up talking about, we basically just have a podcast about nothing.
Bagels.
Bagels. Me and
Bagels.
XY talked about the 90s for like 2 hours the one day. That was awesome. I had the best time doing that.
90s.
Yep. Jade, we're close to the same age. I'm sure you remember some of this stuff.
We are, of
Jinkos,
course.
Pogs.
I was born in the 90s. Well, 90 actually.
Okay. Okay.
Pogs.
Monk.
Lumia Selma, do you know what a Pog is? It's
A what?
Pogs.
Pogs.
You guys sound real old.
Yeah, it's true.
I mean, I was born in 90s as well, but
They were huge collectibles.
Yep.
I missed
They're-
the 90s by a
Comic
couple.
books. I think I might trail my stop on gold to 43.72 here.
I love gold.
Let's see. This is a nice
First
push.
place, man. First place is at 3K. They're trading their butts
Dude,
off today.
That's awesome.
How
That's
are they
awesome.
doing that? I want to know what they're trading. Probably everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not
Scalping
gonna lie.
probably.
The top three are like neck to neck.
yeah.
Very close.
All right. It's 2:30. We start to try to get realistic about what's going on right now. Okay. It's 2:30. I've had basically no pullback in ES. There's all kinds of stops sitting here. At least pull back to 75. Okay.
Can we not? That's my stop and profit. Can we please not? Because I'll move it. I will.
NQ is basically dead.
Yeah.
Of course, as soon as I enter.
Rip.
Never fails.
So on NQ we have 5-minute fair value gap at 327. So like 4 points away. Let's see if it's going to go there right now. But we don't have shift in structure to downside, so it's still bullish.
Yeah, I like it. We've just been writing up the 9 EMA on the 15-minute. Let me see, the 5-minute. Yeah, on the 15-minute. That's why I entered.
Guys, I have no idea where Stowe is on the leaderboard. I'm getting very close to just closing my gold position.
Jade, you're number one.
I got 1,400 clams.
I'm at 1482.
All right. Boy, we're tight. Tight. I need crude to go to 0. That would help a lot. Should I short this 6E right here?
0. You're asking too much.
Just a touch too much. Yeah, Jeff, if CL could go back to negative, that would be perfect.
What a wild time that was.
It is trying to roll right here at these 30s.
Are you guys like scalpers by nature, or like how's your trading style?
I don't. I'm not scalper at all.
I'm like intraday, intra-week.
Okay.
I am absolutely a scalper.
I can't scalp for the life of me. I could, but it's not like my forte.
I just end up taking too many trades when I get stopped out.
Yeah. Yeah, I like to like have follow-throughs. On follow-through days, those are like the best.
I mean, this gold long I'm in is basically a swing trade for me at this point. It's that I feel insane.
All right, Pax is saying, here we go. Here we go with gold. Let's see.
I like that Pax is in here getting stoked.
Yeah. Honestly, I should have just held my original position from earlier, but whatever.
Time to raise the targets.
You gonna do it at what, 95 because I'm selling at 94?
Yeah, exactly.
Let's see, we just need a little bit of volume here. Volume is so dry.
Mm-hmm. It's approaching 5-minute fair value gap right now on NQ. On gold, we broke above 43.78. Would like to see some momentum towards this 43.90. 92 maybe.
I just checked. There's no news as far as anything Trump is saying. That doesn't help us with volume. We need the orange man.
My Euro trade is kind of petering out. Not really doing much.
Is that something you trade often?
When it's more active, yeah, but this year it's kind of been slow, so the dollar has just been stuck in a huge range.
Yeah.
$335.
Yeah, it's basically been the same price since April. It really hasn't moved much.
Yeah, I've never really traded anything like outside of ES and Q and gold. I tried to do a little bit of oil earlier when we got off our break. Did not work out well. Took like a $20 L on that.
Yeah.
It moves so weird.
You're stepping on it now. Okay, 241. I'm personally looking for this to pull back to 320. There was all this like, yeah, 320, 315. This late in the day, it sucks because that's like the top of the primary balance for me on NQ. But that was a ton of resistance around like 12.25. They kept trying to hold that, trying to push it lower, trying to hold that, trying to push it lower. Neither of the indices have even touched a VWAP today, though. So I don't. These pullbacks have been for ants all day, which is challenging for me to not just be suspect of that when it happens. Okay, coming back into the 320 guy now.
Still bullish on both ES and NQ. We didn't have shift in structure to the downside. I
Yep.
highlighted on ES if it's going to close below this swing low over here. So it may drop lower back to discount. So basically back to 67, 66, somewhere there. But for this, we need to get like shift in structure first.
Yeah, if the hourly closes here, I just don't like how we took out. What time is this? It's 11 a.m. candle high, and then we've failed to push higher from there.
So I entered gold in my account. It was around 150, but I'm already closed the trade.
There you are, bud. You still buying it? Huh? Does he like it?
That's it for me. I'm not going to take any trades on gold, at least in my account. I might take trade on this competition account, but closed for 13, a bit more than 13 points on my account. But a long was of 3-minute OB. I entered my average was at 43.66. But I'm all out.
There, I am glued to the DOM right now, watching this 320 guy reload. Reload. 76 also. The snaps.
Euro is trading up into a 15-minute fair value gap right now.
Yes, I do speak Russian. Someone asked me in the chat. Yes.
That's sick. I don't speak any other languages. I'm always very jealous of that.
Me neither.
My kids speak both Russian and language, but it's so hard for them to speak Russian.
I speak markets.
85, 83.
He was so slow.
There's a lot. There's a lot of business going on here at this 320 spot. Buy a postcard for a girl.
No, I don't speak Cantonese. My family does, but I don't.
Jade, whenever XY's in here, there's some dude that just writes just types in Mandarin and just says @XY, check chat. And, and after, I don't know, after 2 weeks of it, I was like, do you think XY, does everybody think that you speak Chinese because you're Asian? Is that just the thing that happens? He's like, yep.
He's not Chinese, right?
No, no, he's not. But that's why the chat's cool. The internet is a funny place.
Yeah, my stop is still at 43.72 on gold. If I get taken out, I get taken out.
That's a little 14 more minutes, and that's a single print on gold too. So that's cool. A single print's kind of like a 30-minute fair value gap also. I know that we kind of share that methodology a little bit between auction market theory and ICT world.
What trades am I in? I'm in short euro, which is up 23 ticks right now. And I'm in a gold long.
I'm not gonna lie, the last two 30-minute candles on NQ are disgusting. Very ugly.
Okay. Good.
I'll likely
Yeah,
add to my
basically
longs
we
if
took out the lunchtime high and then haven't gone any higher since. So I don't know. It feels like NQ could pull back further.
Ooh, I saved my ass on that one. I got short 330 once it broke down.
My ass is clenched, I'm telling you guys.
Yo.
See, they will literally clip anything. So yeah, as you guys get more into the channel, Jade, you watch out for these turkeys.
I know, man. I gotta watch what I say.
Okay.
Can I give you my thoughts on ES?
Of course, you can.
Very similar. It's very similar to NQ. So we have our lunchtime candle basically. Well, closing at 11. But we haven't broken market structure to the downside. We just have a lot of trouble overhead at like 67.80.
I don't mind to see 67, 66, 67 taken.
And for me, it's like a time of day thing. I just don't. Usually when it runs up straight away throughout the day, I just don't anticipate that it's going to make new highs on the day. And let's say if they don't make new highs for NQ and ES, it's probably going to leave it for tomorrow. So I was long on NQ and ES earlier, but I exited those before lunchtime. And I'm only in a gold long and euro short. But even beyond the competition, I'm probably going to be short euro probably for the rest of the week if dollar continues to cooperate.
That's so funny. Someone in the chat said, I'm in the top 400. If everyone could stop trading now, that would be appreciated. It's actually hilarious.
Oh, I'm at 66 right now. Everybody's giving their profits back.
Come on, I need us to rip.
Yeah. When I mean euro, yeah, 60 euro futures.
If we can reject this 75 spot on ES, where's this guy? 75.50. Start making lower low. VWAP from the highs at 77. Okay. Yeah, it's remarkable that not a VWAP has been touched today. It's not that it needs to be, that's not required, but it is pretty unusual when that happens, even in a trend day. One thing that
What
happens to
price
me all
did
the
I
time is
enter? I entered euro 1.16920.
holy
Right
smokes,
around
that's way up
lunchtime.
there.
Yeah, right around lunchtime. I think I'm floating $260 right now.
So wait, all right. So what do I need to happen? What are things that can tank what can tank the dollar? What can possibly happen to send this currency to zero real fast? Not forever, just for the afternoon.
Just keep buying euro.
Jade, someone wants you to share your screen if you
All
want to
right.
do that.
I guess so.
You guys forcing them to share a screen.
No.
You want
Here's
shares
my
a second? I
gold
can close
long.
mine. 1 second.
I closed mine already.
I close mine as well.
Oh, it's okay because someone was asking for Stowe's screen anyway.
Okay.
Oh, you want me to share? All right.
Yep.
Let me get in there.
Here's my gold long and then short euro. Basically, after we got these two long wicks here poking above the weekly open. So I basically entered on this candle. I can't remember exactly what time. My executions. Let's see. About 11:45 I went short. Man, gold is struggling right now.
It's okay. It needs to breathe a little bit.
Yeah, I believe it can reach all-time high maybe during Asia, which is typical for gold to leave some levels
Yeah,
and
probably.
hit them, after market open.
I need it to go in the next 2 hours.
Yes, it does. This doesn't help me tomorrow.
Stowe, correct me if I'm wrong, but someone's asking how many places move on to the next round. It's the top 10%, right? So like
Yeah, I
1,000
believe so, right?
people?
That 1,000 people.
Yes,
Yeah, I think
I think
1,000
so.
people. Yeah.
Somebody's asking me how I calculate my risk on euro. I mean, for the majority of time, I trade on TradingView. So like when I go in here and I click sell, hopefully you guys can see this. I go in here, type my stop loss in. Right, let's say my stop loss must be 1.17 and my take profit is like 2R. Right, you just come in here and change the amount of units that you're trying to trade. So you can actually see how much risk you're taking. And I do this with basically all my accounts. NinjaTrader, I just trade directly on TradingView. Even if I don't, right, because I trade on CQG with a prop firm out in Chicago, I'll still use the position size calculator that's built into TradingView. It just makes my life easier. Or you can find out the tick value, right, contract value, and do it that way. Or don't calculate your risk.
Also an option. Yep. You can do that too. Not advised, but yeah.
Let's see where first place is. 2,700.
They're killing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome.
They must have went long right off the open.
Even that, I don't think it's possible to get to 27 without getting in and out.
Trading in and out.
Yeah, for sure.
Or trade everything and be, full sized.
Yeah, maybe.
Someone asked if I'm on YouTube. Guys, I'm not. I do not live stream. This is actually my first ever live stream in front of this many people.
You're doing great.
Usually it's in front of like 100, 200 people in my group. I run a Discord, and yeah, this is the most. You can find me on X though. That's about it.
Somebody was asking how to calculate your risk on Tradeovate. I honestly don't know. I don't know.
Yeah. Thank you guys.
Either you have to know the tick value, where your stop loss is. Not a lot of brokers offer the ability to like calculate your risk.
Yeah, which I think is so important. It is so
There's
important.
probably a reason they do that.
They want you to not know.
Yeah.
We getting back above this 75 guy? Yeah.
Goodness,
All
man.
right.
Gold. Jeez.
I added to my ES position on that drop.
So beat.
Nice little wick back up.
Time is it? Okay. 3 minutes to the 3 o'clock turn.
Hour.
Okay, yeah, interesting what will happen. It's going to be just straight move up to take all-time high, which, I will not be surprised to see at all. Or free fall. Totally possible.
That's actually so funny.
It's in queue. Come on.
Anything is possible in these markets.
Yeah. I mean, they bought that 335 spot really hard, and so all those folks are stuck. So we'll see what happens when it gets back to him there. I'm just down to one short runner on that, but then I'm full size long on ES. So currently I've got everything sitting at a stalemate.
So somebody's asking me if I primarily start positions in Asia. No, not really. If I'm trying to trade for the week, and if I have an idea for the week, I'll position myself intraday during market hours, and then just kind of hold it. And then if I want to swing it intra-week, I'll try and add in like the following day if it moves in my favor.
I need to get you guys all to trade Asia with me.
I've tried. I've lost a lot of money trading Asia.
Yeah, the vol needs to be high for me to get into Asia.
It is for gold. I'm telling you guys, it's so fun.
Exactly.
It's so fun you lose sleep over it, which might not be that fun.
I'm usually trying to get some kid to
I try not. I tried to make at least be on the charts for a certain time window, because past that I just end up being a zombie watching the screens all the time.
Yep.
Even though I know better, like usually if I'm swinging a position overnight, I try not to look at my phone, but
you guys are better than me. I literally need to know what's happening. Someone said sleep. What is that? Yeah, I don't know her.
How do I manage my winners? Usually I like to scale in, but because my contract limits are already being hit, I can't scale in.
It's quite tough to scale.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not bad. Even if you wanted to trade micros, if you have like a 3 contract limit, it's not a bad idea to just put one in as a feeler. See how the market goes. If it starts moving in your favor, then add another.
Yep.
Or if it goes straight against you, then you're not full size.
Cool.
Well, guys, it was nice to see you guys today. It was amazing experience for me, guys. Thank you for watching
Likewise.
us. For me, yeah, I will see you guys
Lumi, it
on
was
my stream tomorrow.
Lumi, it was a
Yeah.
pleasure meeting you
Thank
today for the
you.
first time, and thank you for spending time with us, trading live with us
Thank you.
on the stream today.
Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah, thanks,
everyone.
Lumi.
Bye,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lumi.
See you
Nice to
guys.
meet you.
Bye, everyone.
Ciao.
All right, all right.
Hello, good afternoon. Back, everybody.
What up?
What's up?
What's up? What's up? I mean, I was trying hard to get ahead of you guys during the afternoon, kind of decided to try to it's short to get a retracement, and like here we are. I was like,
Here we are.
but I'm in longs now, and I'm just all right, I'm focused now. I'm just interested in longs. Just interested in longs. I just entered ES and Nasdaq. We retraced whatever 50% of the pullback. And I'm also long gold. So we'll see if I can get back to green. It's all for like I don't know. I'm enjoying myself honestly though.
Yeah, this is probably the most I've traded intraday for a long, long time.
Yeah, same.
Not same.
Not same.
The sigh.
I was waiting to say that. I didn't want to be the first.
Nah, it's me, man. That's just what I'm up to, though. Everybody knows. My crude short worked.
Yeah, Stowe, how many hours you spend in front of the desk every day?
Well, if I'm not trading, like 2.5, or sorry, if I'm not streaming, like 2.5.
Gotcha.
Yeah, but on the days I got to do morning show and afternoon, it's quite a bit. So, but I do take that middle lunch break and
Get around a dolphin.
try to get some. Oh, if I wish. I just try to run, or fold laundry. There's never enough time to fold laundry. So I work on
Never.
that a lot.
Laundry never ends either.
Yeah, man. Laundry is war. Dishes is war. I swear my kid wears like 4 outfits a day. She went through 3 this morning just trying to figure out what was going to look cool. So, yeah. Yes, crew, die.
All right.
Jim,
Pumping.
text me in the chat. I need
It
a
is,
crude
it is.
lower target.
Come on, gold. I thankfully I positioned myself in gold. I positioned myself probably around 2 p.m. in gold. And yeah, we'll see. I like that 15-minute wick on ES. I think Salma, you were talking about that. There was a nice wick there.
Yeah.
Then I got in long after that. So we'll see. Let's rip to all-time highs everywhere, you guys. Woo!
Woo!
Tanya, you got a good entry on gold because you didn't really sit through all that chop.
Yeah, no, I didn't, thankfully, but don't worry, got chopped up in the indices while trying to. I was like, damn, I should have just chilled and let any other people, make their mistakes during lunch hour. My bad. I'm not used to trading also either from 11 to 12 either,
If
but
you're not first, you're last, so you got to swing for the fences.
exactly, Jade. That's my mentality today. I'm like, it's for charity. I want to go for it.
Mhm.
You guys are ahead of me. Now you're further ahead, but we can do it. We can come back, kids, here.
You guys are such show-offs.
We're
Literally.
traders.
Show-offs.
Good point. Yeah.
No, the rest of the week I'm probably going to give all my
Value.
money back that I made today.
What'd you say?
The rest of the week I'm probably going to give back all the money I made today.
Yeah, you gotta have a healthy amount of ego to be a trader, honestly. So, see, you're
I
still.
think I'm break even on the day on Euro. I took a loss
Oh, okay.
and then entered back short, but it really hasn't gone anywhere.
ES looks good. I need NQ to get past this 35.
Yeah, I want NQ past that. Yeah, and 40. Ideally, 39.
Let's get the next leg up on gold, please.
I don't know.
Like
I feel like
another
I
10
need
more
to.
points.
I feel like I need to put another position on if Stowe is this close to me.
Don't worry,
Huh.
it could
It
disintegrate
could
quickly.
backfire. Yeah, it
Yes.
could backfire. That's the problem.
That's okay. You got to swing for the fences, like you said. I mean, we'll have another shot at it too. So this is a good learning opportunity. Plus, like people in the chat, like there's still more qualifiers. I think you can still sign up for.
Yep.
Yes.
Today's
yes.
not your day. You can try again. It's a good like first run.
Yeah, this is a
Next.
good point. I've forgotten to plug anything because I've been glued to 5 different charts. I even tried to get in short on that that euro, but it told me I was at my max position limit. So
Really?
yes.
What?
Yeah.
All right.
You can only do as much as your margin allows. So
Oh, true.
the fake margin broker was like, no. You can't be full port.
Yeah, let me not. I'm not gonna look at index markets
The
anymore.
margin is like 25K, isn't it? Like,
Yeah.
huh.
I don't know. Bang.
Well, how many did you try to open? Because you can only open 2 euro.
Just one.
Oh,
There
You
she
probably
is.
have a limit order or something because it was rejecting for me too. I had like a resting order.
I mean, to be honest, I'm not even sure that's the right instrument. I think it is. M6E. Is that it?
no, 6E. I don't think micro euro is
Do do full.
enabled.
You gotta do a full.
Oh,
6E.
it's just 6E?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. Well, there's the problem.
These go to 11.
What was that?
That was a Spinal Tap reference.
Oh, it's freezing in New York right now. It's like so windy.
Yeah, I dropped here too. It's a bummer. Coming back from Florida, it was like, have some of this.
That's freezing.
Yep. All right. Is anybody in the chat in the top 100? Where's our chat show offs? There should be. I haven't been watching. Is anybody dunking on us today? Did anybody say anything cool?
No clue. But Kyle, I see your text now where you Kyle, Tanya full port. And I'm like, yeah, go for it. I'm long as much as I'm long 2 micro gold, 3 MES, 3 NQ. So let's see a rip, people. Let's see it rip.
Yeah, me too.
My
Dude,
mistake
gold-
today was, you know, after we logged off, I tried to like be cute and try to scalp some shorts. Whatever. Now
Gold
I
is
know.
approaching
what?
those
Let's
highs
go.
now.
Gold is trying to push. Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, gold new high of session. And now I'm remembering. Okay. And Stowe, you do this too, right? You're a scalper, but like you mostly like decide to focus on one side, right?
Yes, yeah. As long as the day has proven some sort of trend, like for
Today, obviously, longs.
Yeah.
Got you. Keep that in mind.
I have part of my Arena Cup strategy, however, is that when one long was falling apart, I did hedge with some short on the other index. So I haven't been,
Interesting.
I haven't been full on either side.
Huh.
Maybe you limited your downside doing that.
Yes.
Yeah, it definitely helped
I
you.
mean, limited your upside.
Yes.
Both sides, but like
Yeah, I guess both. Limited your upside.
Guys, above 83 on gold. I don't have another level till
6K.
92, 94. Yeah, 6K.
Yeah, I'm just holding for like new highs, all-time highs on gold. Honestly, it's been running good today.
Should work.
But we got
I just
left in the
go
day.
ahead.
Totally can.
Yeah, I just don't like that we only have an hour left. Typically, like gold tends to start slowing down. Again, given that there's no news or anything.
Good point.
Well, let's see.
Yes.
Maybe we get another 10 points.
If we get a new high day, that unlocks a very fun stat for me that I really enjoy. So I'm looking for that on either ES or NQ, and then that means we can really rip this thing into the close. But
Hell yeah.
we need that in the next 21 minutes.
Can you guys take some losses for me?
Yeah, Stowe. That would be great,
Please?
man.
Everybody take loss. I'm crawling my way back up, but we're making it there. Let's see.
That's how I felt this morning when like I joined on the stream. I was already red prior to like another trade, and I just felt like I was fighting for my life.
All good. I was the complete opposite. I'm like, go big, go home.
Yep.
See?
Let's see.
Well, I think some chat was telling you this morning, Salma, like they were looking for 43.80s on gold, and they got it. Woo.
Oh yeah, someone did say that. Yeah, I'm gonna hold for Pax's target,
Which is
4,400, but I'm gonna sell at 43.94. So I'm not gonna hold till his target.
I'm holding it. I'm
hard.
gonna exit at 43.95.
Yo, you're such a show off.
I love gold.
Who was that?
That's production.
Yeah, I know. Just wondering who said that. Uh-oh,
Michael
they're
Myers.
pulling back hard here. Oh no.
And Q, don't do this to me. No.
All right, time for me to go short.
It's good.
No.
We're just rechecking that 320 guy. Nobody panic.
No.
Don't freak out.
Oh my God. Gold will save me today. Yeah, let's see 320 bounce there. It'll be great.
Ah, that sucks.
What happened?
Oh, nothing. That pullback, that NQ pullback smacked me
yeah.
around a little bit. It's okay. We're gonna take this at 88. ES still much.
Yeah, I'm down like 6 points on Nasdaq now. I'm break even on ES. Oh, still holding. But it doesn't look that pretty anymore. I mean, it would be nicer if it just rips, so so it can go highs of the day, these highs of the session. Jade, are you actually looking for to short it?
Me, no, I don't think so.
Yeah.
That would just be too wordy of giving too much back, and then Stowe crosses me in the last 2 hours.
My P&L has definitely had a
Stowe's back up
resistance.
against his wall right now. You got to make what,
Yes.
$250 to beat me?
Yep.
Not to say it can't happen.
I need
Definitely
oil
could.
to die for sure. I need a pullback I can put another lot on for gold. My ES is fine. And NQ is being a total butthead, though.
I
It
agree.
rejected that 35. That sucks.
Yeah, this is getting pretty late in the day for me to be comfortable holding to new highs in gold. I'm probably going to trail my stop again.
Just yeah, I have a stop in profit.
I've got 43.79.
Oh damn, yours is high.
Yeah. I just don't want to give too much back.
I wish there was more time in this trading day because I feel like now I'm just getting into my mojo. Can we run it back?
We're just getting started.
Extended through Asia session.
If we extend it through Asia session, oh my God, guys, I'd pull an all-nighter. Swear to God.
Did anybody in the chat say their top 100?
I didn't see anybody,
No.
no.
Yeah, I don't think so.
They just got to be in the top 1,000, I think, right?
Yep, to continue. And then it's top 400 paid. It's crazy. That's
That's
awesome.
nice.
That's like the best poker tournament ever. Top 20%? That's insane. Nice. MMXM is top 100. Good.
Woo! Good job, guys.
Good job.
Someone's
Very good
placing.
job.
Someone's
They said
49th place.
49th.
Hell
Damn.
yeah. That's really good.
Ooh, let me get some of that.
Nice.
Get some profits.
NQ is
Do I
definitely very
slap?
sad.
Do I slap 3 micros short on Nasdaq?
Damn.
I don't know. Risky business.
I see it going to like 305, 302.
All the way back to 25K. Last 30 minutes.
Imagine.
It could happen.
It can. Yeah, I think if we lose 300, then like it's a slippery slope.
And I got stopped out of the Nasdaq. All right. Still in the gold.
Revenge trade.
Yeah, I wish I could add to my NQ position and I can't.
There's 300.
Damn, this is a terrible drop.
It's all good.
Somebody said I am the last one. You're in last place.
That's actually an accomplishment though.
I've been there. I've been there. And it
Yeah,
came
what
way
if the
back.
surprise?
They should
A
win
consolation
something.
prize.
Hey, you still, you can try another time. There's more qualifiers left. I think that you can. I think there are spots open.
I think it's just one round. Like everyone can just
The
trade.
last round one, yeah. Round 3.
Yeah. Okay, I like this bounce on NQ so far off that 302 level. Just needs to hold. But Pax is saying that he doesn't see it giving us more. Come on, what?
Getting more what?
Like for us to go higher. He just
Yeah.
crushed all of our dreams.
Maybe gold can push me higher. Take me high. Gold.
I'm still in gold, Pax. Yep. Still in gold and up 20 points right now.
I am as well.
I'm looking for another 10-point move up.
I'm done telling you turkeys what my positions are.
Oh, come on, Stowe. Don't be a gatekeeper.
I got this short from this ES short is kind of working to cancel this NQ long. I'm going to have to bail on this NQ long in a second, though. It's bleeding me a little bit. But that run to 300 was pretty good.
I hope NQ goes back to my break even and then I'll get up. Please.
Porch time. That's also an old person reference.
Yeah, us 2001 babies wouldn't understand that.
I think my strategy is going to be stop trading at 4 and see how much money people give back in the last hour.
Is there anything? Is there
I
like
gotta go catch a flight anyway, so.
Yeah.
I thought we stop at 4.
Nah, it's 5.
I think it goes to
Wait,
5.
it's 5?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, can someone
yeah,
confirm
bro.
that?
Interesting. All right.
Payne said 2001. Yes, that is correct. 2001. You guys can't see it, but
What's 2001?
the year I was born.
Oh,
Oh,
youngin.
oh my
Youngin.
God, past 2000?
She definitely doesn't know what pogs are.
No, I told you I didn't.
Well, at least you're here for me, Jade. I appreciate that. Yeah. Pogs were cool. I'll send you some pictures of pogs later.
Stop. Someone said, wait, people are born after 2000. Yes, we exist.
Man.
Oh my God. Come on, Gold. You could do it. I believe in you.
Does anyone use the DOM? I think Stowe
Yep.
does. You use the DOM, right?
Sure
When I
do.
look at that, I'm just like, I don't know what I'm looking at.
Yeah, I'd actually love to learn.
It's yeah, you just gotta stare at it for too long. It's like the way the way I view the market is that old like Simon game. You guys ever see that game? It's just a circle with four.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all I
Simon
I'm
says.
really looking at on the button. Yeah, it's just
Hmm.
like memorize a
Pattern.
pattern, see the blinking
Yeah.
light, press the button. But yeah, it's just a way to see buyers and sellers in real time. It's a lot like a footprint chart. It's same theory.
All right, what's NQ telling you guys? What's GC telling you? Come on, check. Where the buyers at?
I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, there's a bid here, but they're still selling it down, so it's not looking great. I'm gonna have to puke this NQ side, which is annoying.
If we lose 300, I'll take my L and potentially flip short. Although I really don't want to. I also got to remind myself it's really late in the day, so
Yep.
it might not even give us anything to downside either. They could just pin us.
Looks like first place is still floating around 2,700.
That's awesome.
All right, so if Euro dumps 100 pips in the close, maybe I'll take first place, guy.
I'm out of NQ. That was a fat L. That's unfortunate.
Ooh, do I short it? Oh man.
That was horrendous.
It happens.
We'll
It
see.
does.
Dude, no, no worries. You gotta put the risk down, you know? Um, let's see here. Still in gold longs. With Nasdaq and ES, honestly, yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna keep going up higher. It could just consolidate, or it could drop lower at this point. And considering where I am in the competition, I'm just gonna try some shorts. Let's see if we get to like a previous hourly low, maybe below 289s, and then like there's more downside on ES and Nasdaq. Like, we'll just see. ES
Yeah,
could,
I too am playing a game called Catch Jade.
yeah.
This is no longer about trading.
Doing.
It's just about beating Jade.
They got to move, yeah. And for ES, it would be below 662. We'll see if we can get there.
What's that spot? 69.
69, give out.
Oh.
There.
Yeah, that like I should have known better with NQ based off of those two 30-minute candles that were really, really ugly at 1:30 and 2. Let's see.
Well, Salma, there's no way to know. So
There's no way to know. We could have continued pushing. Don't worry.
Oh
Don't
yeah,
rabbit hunt.
yeah.
There.
This is why like I don't
I was
touch
trying to short up there,
NQ.
and then it kept making a new freaking high on the hourly on the 15. I was like, "Are you serious? We already took out that last hourly high, and then it decided to take it out again, and then it dropped." So we'll see what's going on. I mean,
At this point, dump it. Like it would make me so happy to see this drop.
let's just drop it all the way lower.
Just kill it.
There are a lot of stops.
Or would be nice.
There are a billion stops below 290. I don't know if they're.
Let's see that. Let's see 264 next, and then whatever else it wants to do. I don't care. Oof. I gotta catch up. See.
You got these hourly lows that you guys got to get through.
Yep, they are quite strong.
Still holding gold strong. It's kind of sideways for the last 20 minutes or so, though.
It does look like it like closed up there. You know what I mean? Like it looks like it looks like it did a thing and is done now.
Yeah, right.
Maybe gold closes at 3.
Maybe. Could still drift higher, I guess.
Tanya, someone's wondering how many hours do you spend in front of the charts?
24.
2 hours, but today I was all, and that was probably not the best decision considering I was up 900, now I'm down like 660. But yeah, it's typically like 2 hours, two and a
People
half.
want to see your chart, Tanya. I'll stop sharing.
Who's gonna stop you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'll stop.
Oh,
Oh,
I stopped sharing as well.
There you go.
sure.
Should I share, or does anybody else want to share? Salma?
I've got nothing different on my chart for gold. Just literally
Just
waiting
start
for
drawing things.
imagine, just start doodling.
Yeah, I don't trust the shorts on Nasdaq because the equal highs are so close.
I was just gonna say this is still holding 300 well.
We'll find out. Yeah, it did bounce there. Couldn't just blast through those lows, so it could just end up consolidating into this afternoon. I want it to hold below this FEG here. I want it to hold below 318. If not, then I'll probably exit my position. Right now, I'm break even.
Does it auto close positions at the end? It probably will.
Yeah, I would assume.
I think my best trade today was gold. I realized that you gotta just stick to what you know.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, word.
Yeah, like I tried NQ and just proved to me like why I don't trade it. Literally, like I'll not touch it again.
I think you can be nasty.
It really can be, yes.
Was this the 1 minute? I don't like that it's getting back above this.
What a fake out.
Hey, gold has pretty much been lifting me higher. My PNL. If I had just been chilling with that long and not try to scalp this afternoon shorts. Yeah, I got messed up here.
I
Who's
did
trading
say
the
that what I was going to do with
MOC?
gold was just buy the open and leave it alone, and I kind of did, but I wasn't that. Yeah, I did buy the RTH open. I could have just left it on from 37, I guess, but I don't know. That's hindsight too. With what gold's been doing though, like I can't short it. Even though I have no idea what that market's supposed to be doing, I can't get short on that
It's
thing.
doing exactly what it needs to be doing, getting bought up.
Sideways and then rip higher into the close.
It's like this every day, guys.
Is it?
Anytime I've been seeing like, a decent like sell off on gold, I'll just go, long options. I'll just go buy calls because I can't like swing on futures, so I'll just swing options and then I'll just
Right.
trade Asia into New York.
Yeah, that's cool too. Since you do options, you can actually hedge pretty well in that overnight if you wanted to.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to say pretty well, I mean, with gold, it's better to go with the trend than to fade it. Like I'll scalp shorts, but I won't hold shorts for too long. But Tanya, gold is saving me too. It's carrying me as well.
Word.
I don't think I'm catching Jade.
You
I don't think
trade-
there's a chance.
You typically like trade gold, right?
Yeah, yeah. It's been like for the past 2 months or so, I kind of I realized, like I said earlier, I realized that like NQ was so wicky and it was just not working for me. You know, if you don't have like the precise entry, then like a wick will kill you and then it'll go to your TP. So I figured like, let me look other places. And so I went and I found gold and I was trading gold right before it broke out of that like multi-month range. And then as soon as it broke out, like volatility kicked in and
Mm-hmm.
I was right back to dealing with like the wicks. And but it's so much better, so like it's fine. I found my edge with gold, to be honest with you.
That's good.
Ah, it's so good.
Yeah.
I love it. All right, the chat's starting to touchdown dance now. I appreciate you, chat, for coming through on me. Yes, biblical said the long was clear. I mean, look at this. Yeah, my favorite. That's my favorite part about the afternoon stream. We get the hindsight dudes coming in. Come on. What
Don't
else?
worry.
What else did you do today? Who else saw the clear long on everything?
Oh yeah, that never fails.
Yep.
Go on Twitter, they'll tell you like, how did you not see it? How didn't you get into in first place?
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, thank you, Mark. I know you won't. Yeah, the only person that's able to hindsight me is Business Duck. Other than that, I don't tolerate it from any of your other turkeys in the chat. Anons and all. I'm bummed my troll isn't in here. I haven't seen him anyway.
I had to push my personal training session from typically at 2 p.m. Now today is at 4 p.m. I told her like I'll probably be there like 10 minutes late, but this goes until 5 p.m. the contest. Everyone, just letting you know.
Yeah.
Well, like I'm probably not gonna catch. I'll
No.
be-
Tanya, I trade at the gym all the time. You can't let the gym stop you.
I'm not. Hell no.
No, Tanya,
The gr-
sacrifice your
Just
health.
cancel the session.
The grind does not stop, I promise you that.
What you can
I've
do.
I've
There's
like
always
put the
tomorrow.
trade on and then like every time I mean I'll like trail something at the gym and then like I'll always get stopped out. Yeah, I'm not because yeah, and then I'm like obsessed and I keep looking at the my phone for
That's the best part.
No, I can't, I'm with you, Tanya. I can't have
girl, you're
a
trading Asia, you're trading at the gym, that's why.
Okay, I need to stop. I need to
When
stop
don't
because
you
this is not.
I can't have a trade on when I'm running. It ruins the whole vibe.
Yeah.
No, that's like the motivation to keep going.
Yeah, I'm on X, Gia. We all are. Just I don't know, put Stowe in there and find somebody. There's probably somebody named Stowe you could follow.
Gotta look up Bagel Boy.
4th to 400 gets $100.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
Nice. Yeah, my strategy is to probably close by 4 and see how much damage people do to their accounts in the last hour. Maybe it'll bump me to the top 50. I'm at 56 right now. Oh no, gold.
Oh no, gold. What's gold doing?
Oh no.
Jade, someone wants to see your chart. They're loving your charts.
Again.
Charts are in demand, my friend. 77.
Okay. Oh, I have Loom open. What's this?
I think gold should hold 83. Again, we're nearing like end of the day, so it's a little tricky. But if it holds 83, then I don't see why we don't hit 94.
Yeah, I've got a 1 minute fair value gap, and then we have this 1 minute engulfing candle here.
Let's
I
see.
think my euro trade is basically just flat. No, let's turn it around. but maybe too little too late. But yeah, I think on Euro, I'm going to try and swing it for the rest of the week all the way down to 1.1580. And because we're so close at all-time highs, I really don't know what to do with the index markets. Maybe tomorrow, another opportunity to get long, but the risk to reward because we're already so close to it is not as good as it was at the open.
That is tough. I'm still holding in my shorts. Might as well. My stop's at 36 for Nasdaq.
Yeah, I don't hate that.
I spelled invalidation wrong, guys.
That's okay.
We won't tell anyone.
I like what Rod's up to. ES could hit 6787. Give me some more. I need some more bull hopium, please. Pile it in to the chat. The only way I'm catching up is some bull hopium. New high of day. A new high would be encouraging. Yeah, I know. Yes, I'm probably jinxing myself with that soundbite. There you go. You got to cross. You got to want it. They're trying.
Are you taunting the bulls right now?
Yeah, no. I'm one of them.
Ooh, I don't know. NQ got close to the hourly lows and then just turned around.
Yes, it did.
I know, right?
I honestly, I don't have a good read on that.
Going to drawdown today.
I know. It is a hard read from where it is. Just
Yeah.
You gotta try.
Yeah.
Gotta try. There's not much else I could do right now.
Miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
No, it's just like, yeah, I might as well try everything right now.
Sorry, Don. I didn't mean to take your stop, but yes, I did. Where else is everybody's stop?
Still watching?
Where else is everybody's?
Everybody's watching, probably.
I need Pax to tell us what he sees on NQ.
No, the Pax is at the gym.
Come on, he's got to be in here somewhere.
I could give you yeah, the rotation, the Pax to be looking for would be 300 to 365. We came up a little short on 365. Personally, I've been trying to take out those dumb highs. I mean, that 53 high was annoying, but there was a big seller up there, so it doesn't mean that he can't just win all day. It is only Monday, so.
Yeah, someone actually made a good point earlier in the chat. They were saying how, like, we just, it's the Monday right after we had, like, a pretty crazy week last week, OPEX. So it makes sense for us to be, like, having slow, choppy movements.
Nah, that doesn't mean shit.
Okay.
No, whoever said that's crazy. Actually, Monday is the most likely trend day of all the days. If you look at it statistically since 2020, Monday is the most likely to trend. So that's why I was stoked that they were doing this
noted.
on Monday. But yeah, no, people just say dumb shit to justify price action. It doesn't mean anything. I've actually noticed a good example of this was people used to say the morning before the Fed announces its rate cut or stay or whatever, and Jay Powell does his speech, that's probably going to be choppy action because, we're market's waiting, and it's not. It's statistically likely to trend. I think it trended 5 out of the last 6. So yeah, people just like to say tropes.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I usually don't trade before days like that anyway, but
I used to not trade those either. But then every day I would come in after that happened, I would be like, oh, that was a trend day I missed again. And so I started trading those things. I just try to do the opposite of what everybody else does. That's my secret. I just do that George thing. I will do the opposite.
He just fades everyone.
Even myself, usually.
So you should look into like adding the 9 EMA onto your chart if you're into like trend days. Helps a lot to see.
XY's got me. XY's got that 9 on my
Yeah,
chart sometimes.
I use it religiously. It's pretty good for intraday stuff, like just to see, when we flipped. If we, lose it, then obviously sellers have the upper hand and vice versa. Yeah, 9 EMA for the trend to know like if we're having a trend day or not. Yes, to be able to ride the trend. You could use like retests of the 9 EMA for entries if you missed your original entry.
Yep.
It's 3:40. Damn, time flies.
Yes,
I
it
know.
does.
I wish it was like 9 in the morning again. So
Ooh. The more we see it continue creeping up here, I don't like it. We'll see. See how this 5-minute ends. I'd like this 5-minute candle to close below like 319 area.
someone's asking what time frame for the 9 EMA. You can use it on any time frame you're more comfortable with. I typically use it on the 5 and the 15.
No, that's a good point. Everybody's got, it's important for everybody to have little things like that that will keep you on sides according to your own system. Yeah, XY talks about the 9 on the 5 too. So you guys have that exact thing in common.
Yeah, it's like
I
one of
use
the
VWAP
few
bands.
indicators.
Yep.
Ooh la la.
It's just going to close here. Good job, Jade.
Thank you, man.
That was awesome.
Damn, Jade.
Yeah,
it was
Killed
close
it.
for a bit.
It was close.
What are you gonna do with your money, with your winnings?
I don't know. I'm gonna
Do
long
something-
gold.
Do something interesting. Dude, Jade, if you actually wait for the next like real pullback on gold, like if we get another 100-point pullback like we did the other day, and you put that $5,000 into options,
Oh yeah.
thank me later. But like buy a lot of time, swing and buy a lot of
Yeah.
time.
2 months.
Yeah, I mean you could do like January. Yeah, for sure. You'll be up a bag if we hit
I've been
all-time
waiting for
high.
gold to pull back, but it's just
We
it is
pulled
not.
back already. You missed it. It was like
I
Asia
know.
session on Thursday.
To
I
me,
think it was
I feel
Thursday.
like it's not really a deep pullback though.
100 points in like 20 minutes on gold
I
is a
know.
lot. I got caught in that. It was not fun.
Probably should have just went long on Friday.
I did. I bought a couple options. But then this morning, that AWS like outage, I couldn't even check my broker.
Thanks.
We good though. This is why we buy time.
Yeah, I'm gonna close my trades here and watch the carnage in the last hour.
I'm going to leave as many of my trades open as humanly possible.
So
It's my only hope. But yeah, looks like we're just closing here and
I
chilling.
ended with 1600. I am in 51st place. We'll see if I go up or down in the last hour. Where's first place at? 2800. Zeb's been in first place for a while now.
Yeah, I'm glad that we cleaned up the leaderboard and not
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, 40K. I was like, with micros?
it's a secret.
Like, obviously, this person knows something that we don't.
Glad that rejection is happening. Maybe we'll go to those hourly lows at 350. We'll see.
Come on, gold. Trying to push here.
Yeah, gold to 4,400. We'll be
Let's go.
chilling then.
Man, I should have held it.
Thank you. As soon as Kyle
Yeah, as soon as I exited.
go gold, gold, gold. Keep going. This has been literally just saving me. No, I was tilting on trying to trade the indices during the lunch hour. Back and forth. Probably lost a lot on commissions there too, but oh well.
I don't know, man. I feel like Stowe still has time to come back.
He does.
I spent $100 on commissions today.
Dang.
I think I spent probably
That's
too
Ooh.
much.
that's party. Yep.
All right, let's see 350. Maybe
did
we
I
can
spend?
drop. Can we get a drop? Literally break even on that short from earlier.
So you just need to double your profits on the day in the next hour and 15 minutes, and you should be in first place comfortably.
Good.
Should be easy.
I mean, weirder things have happened.
Yeah, no, for sure.
And then if it
Sure.
does happen, I'm gonna blame my flight time.
I've also doubled my losses on the
If
day
I
in the
traded that last hour. Yeah, same.
Oh yeah, guys, we have market on close at 350, so that typically gives gold a move.
Yeah.
Let's just hope it's to the upside.
I know, I'm hoping everything's going. Hope it's gold to the upside. Nasdaq, I wanted to the downside. Now we're back up again in that 5 minute, which I don't like. Ooh la la. We'll see what this looks like at 350.
So I did have an invalidation level where my stop was, but because it's so late in the day, I typically don't trust where the last hour goes.
Yeah.
Usually I just have no idea.
Mark S in the chat said, there goes your 15-minute entry, Salma, on NQ. So yeah, typically that would be a good re-entry. But the fact that, market, like we're gonna get off soon and market closes, I don't feel comfortable taking a position. I'd rather just, stay in my gold and see what happens. But if it was earlier in the day and there was still more volume, for sure.
This freaking thing.
Yeah, I think now's right about good.
Cool. All right, Kyle. Good game, brother.
Kyle.
All right.
Killed that.
Have a good trip
Good luck,
back home.
guys. I know
Take care.
Stowe's right there. Anything can happen in the last hour. But thanks for tuning in, everybody. I'll talk to you guys all another day.
All right, peace.
Ciao.
Later.
And then there were three.
Oh my gosh. Gold's ripping. Nasdaq and ES are just chopping back and forth, which I don't love. ES made a new high here.
I actually like this push here. If we can get like a couple more points, that would be great. Market on close in like a minute and a half.
Yeah, I don't like.
We have a special soundbite for that, Salma. You shall enjoy it.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah. Oh, sure.
As soon as this gets taken, I'm probably gonna cut that. Let's see. ES just made an equal high there, which I do not like.
There you go, folks. There you go, production. Yeah, we lost this. This was a bummer.
Okay, it's for charity, so.
Losing that 335.
Oh, you're talking about the. Never mind.
Oh yeah, I don't care about losing the thing.
I thought you were talking about the tournament. You're like, we lost it.
No.
I'm like, what are you talking about, Stowe?
No, I'm maybe the least competitive person that has ever existed. So I'm good. I'm happy. I mean, Jade's a really good trader. Kyle's a really good trader. Are we saying Kyle? Did he decide? Are we saying Kyle or Jade?
It's whichever one you want.
Okay, cool. I don't know. Everybody's got a cool alias. Actually, none of us do that are on right now.
Yeah, I don't. I'm just Salma. Yeah, you do actually, Stowe.
It's true. I do have Bagel Boy. That's good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kevin.
Attention traders.
Here we are in gold.
It's algo
Take
time.
profit.
Hey, sweetie.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Nice. Come on in. I'm still streaming.
Probably gonna get stopped there. All right, I cut. Yep. We're both cut. All
That's
right.
it, Pax. We're calling it here on gold.
What?
He said, take profit. It's close enough. I don't know. I want to squeeze every, like, this thing can still go.
There's not much I can do. I gotta just ride it out.
Come on in. Yeah, you don't have to.
But whatever.
How was school, huh?
Choo, choo, choo.
It's going good.
How many rounds did you win so far?
I didn't win. My friend Kyle won. Do you want to say hi?
Oh.
Sure.
Yep.
Hi.
I have a headphones.
Yeah, you can have the headphones. So this is this here. I'll blow it up so you can see.
Super cute.
These are my friends. This is Tanya and this is Salma.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Willow. I'm his daughter.
Yes.
Oh, stop. That's so cute.
Do you guys have a daughter or a son?
No.
Or are you just the only grown up? Dad.
No kids here.
All right, I gotta finish my trade. You want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Thanks, Boo. Do you want to go get a snack?
Here we go. I like this push here. Come on.
Get that cat out of here.
For gold.
Yeah, it's taunting us, I feel like.
There you go. Get some popcorn going. I'll be right out.
At least 90 there.
Yeah, I
Sorry.
low-key might just call it. Screw it. Yeah, I closed out. I'll listen to Pax here.
Yeah, there's not much point in holding anything into the
Yeah,
super
yeah.
close, but
I agree.
this is very close. 10 points away. Pretty awesome.
I think we caught that momentum pretty well.
Yeah, you guys caught that, like you started streaming at like 2, right?
Yeah, too. Yeah. Honestly, I should have held like from open, but I was only
it gave that second push in the afternoon. Indices did not want to really do that. Continue.
Yeah, that consolidation though is like killer. Just sit there and sit. What is this? 30 an hour, almost like 2.5 hours of chop, and to still hold your position, it's tough.
Yeah. Definitely.
But yeah, hopefully you guys start trading gold more. It's so much fun.
I really might. Yeah.
Maybe. People have been saying that they like it.
Yeah, I know like Anthony advocates for like just, venturing out and seeing if there's other things to trade that, fits your edge a little bit better.
Mm-hmm.
And I totally believe that. I think like NQES is what most people think about when they hear futures, but that's like not the only thing you can trade.
Yep.
Someone said I sound like a gold paid sponsor. Dude, I wish I was paid for that.
I get sponsored by gold.
I don't think
Can you
gold needs to
imagine?
sponsor people.
Get some free gold bars.
Sponsor me, please.
Nice.
All right.
Jim.
Great job, everybody.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
Yeah, so what a challenge. So Jade is the official featured trader winner, I think, at this point.
We got till 5 o'clock, Jim. Don't you count me out.
Congratulations, Jade. I love you, brother, but I don't know that you could do it.
Yes, congrats. Jade did a great job.
Oh, it's pretty awesome.
Tanya tried to come back a couple times. She fought the good fight. Tanya, also congratulations.
Sorry, you lost your bet. Dad. Next time.
Okay, we'll keep to the screens.
All
But
right. Yeah, we'll keep it on for.
but I believe in you, Tanya. I believe in you.
No, I'll double your money up for the next one, double or nothing.
Oh, I'm gonna martingale my bets on Tanya.
Whoa, you guys see gold just ripped?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Well, what the heck was that? Not ripped, but you guys know what I mean. That was not a normal candle.
That's respecting Uncle Pax.
Mm-hmm. Go into the close there.
I think if gold goes to like 4,600, I could win this competition, if that's possible.
46 less.
Oh my God.
I'm happy to be over 1,000 clams, though. That's real good for me.
What the heck? I
Yeah,
got
that was awesome.
And
You you did that like early on too.
Yeah.
Holy crap, gold.
My P&L hit generational resistance at 1,400, and it was not able to recover from that.
Stowe, you had a very, very respectable finale here.
Yeah, you
Thank
did
you.
great there.
That was
I'm
pretty
still
good.
long 2 lots of gold too. Look at it party.
Guys, gold as soon as I got out ripped.
Oh,
No
Salma, you said you were
way.
holding for 94.
I did say that, but Pax said this was close enough.
Now you got to trade your
Pax.
own book.
Uh-oh.
What's Pax? No, he's only been trading for
Oh.
9,000 years.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yo, that's crazy.
Pax just wrote, it didn't rip.
And Ripper.
You know what we mean, though.
What time is it? 56.
Yeah.
Or
It did hit PT pretty well, though. I can't lie. It's awesome to still see that play out.
I mean, yeah.
It is incredible.
Yeah.
357.
There's new all-time highs, right? On gold, yep.
Mm-hmm.
So gold typically will make a new all-time high, and then it'll start to pull back immediately after, and then continue to rip. So we'll see if that plays out here.
Probably is. Let's see if it hits 4,400.
It's gonna.
Oh, I'll be right back, guys. Sorry.
Stowe's gonna go talk to somebody about getting short gold right now.
Yeah, wow, this is
We're almost there.
Pax, your PT's gonna hit. But this is like what's fun. I know I sound like a sponsor on gold, but this is what's fun about gold is it'll just have these like ripper moments. And obviously if you're in and you catch it, it pays very well. Pays better than NQ.
Ooh, fighting words.
It's true. It's true.
I'm not taking sides, but Selma's got some good points.
Thank you, Jim.
Are we gonna get it?
Are we gonna get 4,400? Let's see.
They probably taunt everyone and say, psych, see you for Asia.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna wait for the night session just to taunt us.
Yeah, it usually does that as well. Like almost, I don't want to give out any advice or anything, but like if you go long at like 6 p.m. on gold, it almost never fills. Again, unless like Trump speaks and opens up his mouth.
Oh, he's probably speaking now.
Oh, that's what happened earlier today, right? Oh my God, that was crazy. Oh man, I just remembered what was it, like 11 something? He just started talking. I was like, no shit, I'm in longs.
The reaction to that language that he was using was really muted. I don't usually care about the reaction of news, but I was surprised at how muted that was. That made me feel like market might have been calling BS a little bit, or at least rolling its eyes at that continued narrative. So that made me feel good. The less reactionary it is to that stuff, the nicer it is for me to trade it. So
I got
It
98
could
as the high print.
Yeah.
it could be that like market just is, it's already digested all this tariff news stuff. He didn't really say anything new, I don't think. Anything that we didn't hear last week. Well, there's the bell.
There was the bell. 98 was the high. So far, we got another hour. Stowe's going to be here for a little bit longer.
Yeah, they're dunking on it now, though. They're trying. Yeah,
Dunking on it.
they're finally going to get that. They're finally going to get that stop run down there. That I don't know. I tried to be short into that 85 back into 88 a couple times, and it was not happening.
Yeah.
Guys, am I crazy for thinking we could sell back down to 83?
No.
As long as 94 like acts as resistance.
Anything could happen, man.
So at the top of the leaderboard, we got some congratulations to hand out. I know it's not over, and I know Zeb and Weird Mindset are within $30 of each other. Zeb at first place at 2,845, and Weird Mindset just below him at 815. So we'll see how this plans out. This is going to be strategy now, right? Going into the very end, $30 difference.
That's crazy.
Copy Traders third. Congratulations. Beta Ray Bill is in fourth place. Boost Theron, I know I said that wrong, in fifth place. And those are your top five so far, everybody. And look at how tight it is. It's a pretty tight race, actually. A lot of folks between 2,800 and 2,300. So congratulations, everybody, for participating. Congratulations to the top of the leaderboard. It's been a great competition with so many people, over 10,000, Stowe. So keep your head up, everybody.
That's so awesome.
All of our
Good
folks.
job, guys.
Good job for sure. So
Jim, you know what bar I'm going? You mean you saw me trade the first one of these? You saw what happened that day. So,
oh yeah.
Anything better than that? Good to go.
Oh yeah.
Guys, I just want to say gold is dropping, and that was a very nice short. I took that.
There you go.
There you go.
Great job.
That was awesome.
Great job, new girl.
Oh, thank you. Bagel boy and new girl. I'll take that.
Well, this is the first time we've seen you on the show. Hopefully you're going to come back and trade live with us again.
Jim, can you say bagel for me real fast?
Bagel or Bengal?
Bagel.
Bagel or bagel? It's bagel. It's a bagel.
So Jim's saying it the same way that I'm saying it, right?
No.
No.
You put the emphasis on the G. You put the emphasis on bagel.
Being gaslit right now.
Oh man. All right. So just a couple of housekeeping things really quick. Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate you for sure. Don't forget, this is only qualifier 1. There's 2 more qualifiers. There's qualifier 2 and there's qualifier 3. And those are coming around the corner here as well. So if you haven't registered for one of those, I think there's still time to go ahead and do that. So yes, Mission Control, you're right. What an awesome group of people. And we were hitting it hard all day long. We're going to do it again. We're going to do something a little bit different tomorrow. Regular kind of day tomorrow, but not so regular though. We do have Giovanni Viscasio from the CME group coming on as a special guest to talk to Anthony Crudele tomorrow morning. So yeah, and he's like, I don't know, he's like executive director of everything. So
that's awesome.
Yeah. He's alternative assets is his thing along with equities. So we'll get to hear from Giovanni, and then Farmer's going to be here for Tape Talk. We have Trading the Open with Merritt Black and Christian from Trading Boxes.
Yep.
And they'll be fresh off their trip from Naples, along with Midday Markets with XYZ. And Trading the Close is Leo the Big Cat and XYZ. So tomorrow we're going to have a lot of stuff going on, and hopefully everybody could be here with us. So let me just kind of end this. Thank you, folks, for being with us. Salma, great to meet you. Tanya, you are awesome as usual. Stowe, I love you, brother. Thank you for being here with us today.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you, Salma.
Thank you,
Good
guys.
to see you, Tanya.
Thank you for having me.
Salma.
All right. Most important message of the day, folks. Please be safe out there. Be good to each other. We'll see you soon.
Bye.